Many people have learned about faith and are practicing it, yet their faith is not working for them. In this video, I will teach you the reason why your faith is not working. The Bible says that if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can speak to a mountain and the mountain will move. Many people have spoken to their problems, they have spoken to situations and circumstances that are confronting them, and nothing seems to be working. And because of that, they have given up on their faith. They don't know why their faith is not working. To the glory of God, today you will know exactly why your faith doesn't work, and then you'll be able to remedy it. Now, it is interesting because before I share that reason why your faith is not working, I need to teach you something small about the difference between believing and faith. There's a difference between believing and faith. Believing is simply accepting what God has said concerning you, but faith is going a step further than believing. Faith is accepting what God has said concerning you and speaking it. That is what makes faith. So believing is different from faith. You believe, but do you have faith? What shows that you have faith is taking action on what you believe or speaking what you believe. I believe that this difference has been clearly sorted out. Now let us go to the reason why your faith isn't working. We can find the reason why your faith isn't working in the book of Hebrews chapter 6 verse number 12. The Bible says in the book of Hebrews chapter 6 verse number 12 that ye be not slothful, but followers of them who through faith and patience inherit the promises. So the Bible is saying that don't be lazy, but follow those who through faith and patience inherit the promises. It means that in the past there was a formula where we inherited the promises of God. In the past there was a formula that people used to gain things from God, and that formula was faith and patience to inherit the promises. So God has indeed told you things that you can do, but it takes patience to work with your faith before that thing can come to pass. And many believers have missed that mark. They are exercising their faith, but they are not patient. I remember one time I was praying for a young man whose left leg was longer than his right leg, and for 10 minutes the leg didn't grow out to become the same, and people began to give up, people began to talk, people began to despair. But I knew better than that. After 15 minutes the leg grew up and became the same. Now that is a clear demonstration of patience working with faith to inherit the promise of God. If I had given up after 10 minutes, I'm very sure that we would not have received the kind of miracle that we received that day. In the same way, when Elijah was praying for rain, the Bible says that he prayed once, then he prayed the second time, the third time, 7 times. He had patience to pray for 7 times before he heard the sound of abundance of rain, or before he saw the cloud like the hand of a man. So it is very important for those of us who are exercising faith to be able to apply patience to it. It is very critical. And that is the reason why a lot of people, their faith isn't working. They give up too quickly because they don't know that patience is part of the manifestation of their faith. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are blessed by this video, I want you to click on the subscribe button so that you can have more life-changing revelation and prayer from me. You are blessed. Thank you.